What's up guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Hit by Chris Brown. Alright, let's start. Alright, here we go. 5, 6, 7. You're gonna go open 1 in 2. It's not like this. 1, 2, and 3. Jump 4. Then 5. Touch 6. Stay 7 and 8. One more time. Clarify that one. 5, 6, 7. Wave. 1, 2, and 3. Jump 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna go in 1, 2, 3. Again, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Then 4. Go 5. Sit on 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's combine 1 and 2. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Move a little bit here. 7, 8. Next, you're gonna go slowly close. 1, step on 2, 3, 4, go up 5, 6, down on 7, and 8. One more time. So side 6, 7, and close. 1, step to the front, 2 to the front, 5, 6, down 7, and 8. Good job. Let's combine 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, up, 5, 6, down, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna swing your hand right, left, right, and snap. Open. Go. While doing this, you need to go up. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Snap. 4. One more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then down on 5. Touch 6. 7 to the front. 8. Cross 1. Here we go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Next, this is 1, 2. Down and up. Alright. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Drop. 5, 6, 7. And bite your lip. One more time. This time a little bit faster. Faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hit. Down. Up. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Hope you see you next time. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yes. Bye-bye.